For today's learning work, we are going to use political cartoons to analyze messages that were trying to be sent about World War II. So you're going to go into today's folder. You're going to upload the Dr. Seuss, yep, you heard that right, political cartoon analysis into your World War II learning work. Then you're going to open the document called Dr. Seuss Political Cartoons. There are a total of 4 cartoons. You're going to pick 2 of them to analyze and answer the questions about on the analysis document. For today's learning work, we are going to circle back to political cartoons, and our essential question is what messages were being conveyed by political cartoons in World War II. So we're going to look at some political cartoons that were created by Dr. Seuss. Yes, that author that we've all heard his name so frequently. So you're going to go to Schoology and you're going to upload the World War II Dr. Seuss political cartoon analysis into your World War II learning work. Then you're going to open the document called Dr. Seuss Political Cartoons, and you can just have this open in Schoology. You don't need to upload it into your learning work. There are a total of 4 cartoons. You're going to pick 2 of them to analyze and answer the questions about on the analysis document. The analysis document looks like this. You're going to start by identifying which cartoon that you're going to do. So there's numbers at the bottom of each cartoon, so you're just going to circle which one you're doing, 5, 6, 7, or 8. You're going to describe what you see in the cartoon, and then what message is this cartoon trying to get people to realize or do. So sometimes it's to get people to think differently. Sometimes it's motivate people to do something differently. Okay, so right here you're going to identify what message this cartoon is sending, and then down below you're going to provide evidence to support why you think this way. Then you will pick a second cartoon. Again, identify whether it's 5, 6, 7, or 8. Tell me what you see. What's the message of this cartoon, and is it trying to get people to realize or do something here? And then evidence down below. The cartoons are in order, so once you open this document, you'll see down here at the bottom, here's a 5, a 6, a 7, and an 8. So you're going to pick 2 out of these 4, and you are going to analyze it and answer the questions.